It's actually one of my first sort of this kind of film. I've usually largely done love stories, romantic comedies, but you're right, this is one of the first time. And what was different also was the fact that Farah was directing me in a film like this. Om Shanti Om was a pure, love story, whereas this, there is of course the love angle, but the focus is not necessarily that. There's a lot more of the heist. Interesting, different.
I think we both look very good in tights. The heist costume, we look very, very cool. So I enjoyed that part of it.
And the ballet tutus?
Yeah, we'll talk about that to your children.
I must say that was by far the most macho thing all my guys have done. Wearing tights and ballet tutus, not many men would agree to that.
I'd be honest, हम जब फिल्म बनाते हैं और जब लोगों के सामने उसकी प्रस्तुति होती है, जैसे आज है, तो फिल्म हमारी नहीं रहती, लोगों की हो जाती है. तो मैं नर्वस नहीं होता क्योंकि हमने बहुत खुशी से और सच्चाई और अच्छाई से फिल्म बनाई है. लेकिन मैं टेंस ज़रूर होता हूँ कि जिस तरह से हमने बनाई है उसकी प्रस्तुति आपके सामने अच्छी हो. तो कल रात को 4-5 बजे तक मैं यहाँ पे सबसे लड़ाई कर रहा था और मैं माफ़ी चाहूँगा यहाँ के लोगों से, मेरी अपनी टीम से, सिनेयुग से, रेड चिली से, वो बेचारे जिन्होंने प्रोजेक्टर लगाया था, मैंने इतना झगड़ा किया उनसे क्योंकि मुझे लगा क्वालिटी वो नहीं है जो होनी चाहिए थी. तो मेरे को ये चीज़ें ज़्यादा अहम लगती हैं, महत्वपूर्ण लगती हैं उस वक्त कि आप लोगों तक वो पहुंचा सकूं जो हाईएस्ट क्वालिटी ये देश आपके लिए दिखा सकता है. बाकी फिल्म की कहानी, जो खूबसूरती है, जितने एक्टर्स हैं, एक्ट्रेसेस हैं, डायरेक्टर हैं हमारी फारा, वो संभाल के रखेंगे ही. बट मी एज एन एक्टर, एज अ प्रोड्यूसर, माई जॉब इज़ ओनली दैट आई कैन गिव यू अ गुड इवनिंग and you feel happy and proud of the product that comes out of our country. So I get very tense about that, nothing else. This film is concerned, the genres I think are very unique. It's very, I think, I may be speaking out of turn, not with full knowledge, but I don't think there has been a film made in this world which mixes two completely diametrically opposite genres, which is dance and a heist. It's never been done before. So that mix itself, I think the writers and Farah, I think it's an amazingly unique concept. And the way it has been shot by Manoj sir and the production values given by the whole team, I can very, very, and I don't say it because I'm the producer of the film, I say it on behalf of as an audience because I've seen a part of this film. This film can compete with any film internationally as what it looks like and even better. And I'm not showing off. And it may not do the business of a heist international film. It may not be the time right now for Indian films to take that. But here is a film that will, in terms of quality, will make every Indian, everyone around the world extremely proud for being a Bollywood film audience. And it's been made with that scale, with that idea and that vision, that thought, that belief only comes because you have a director like Farah Khan. So inshallah, it will make you very, very proud. Actually, all the, I keep joking with Farah that, she being a lady, we tease her. That's the only thing we can tease her about.
He teases me that I'm a lady, first.
No, but that's the only thing we joke about, that terko action nahi aata, terko action nahi aata. You've got this macho Sonu Sood, you have Abhishek Bachchan, myself, Jagguda, the greatest of he-men all around, and of course Boman, who's
last of the action heroes.
Last of the action heroes. Deepika herself, actually. So we always keep joking with her. But let me tell you, I worked with some of the finest directors in this country. But if there's a lady who knows aggression and action, or anybody in the world who nobody knows it better than Farah. So there's an amazing amount of action.
And I have a great person in charge of my thrills department. If you have followed my last 2 movies, he always gets credit for thrills. Because when I conceive of an action this much, he goes and makes it this much.
No, but in this film has a lot more action than her previous 2 films. I think Sonu's introduction itself, which is quite it's really, really nice. My introduction, the heist itself being so thrilling and active, and it forms a major part of the film. I think it's beautifully conceived and shot by Farah.
I think our style of...
And I'm not saying that it's a family film, but it's about the family of people that today are sitting in front of you and the thousands that have worked behind the scenes. About 2.5 years ago, Shah Rukh, Farah and myself were sitting and we were discussing the film. And I remember 2 things that Shah Rukh told me. It was late in the night. If any of you have ever had a meeting with Shah Rukh, you know that that's when his meeting starts. Late in the night, and he said the first thing is, I want to make India's biggest film. I don't care about the money it makes, it should look like the biggest film. And I think everybody on this dais today will agree after seeing the trailer that I think we've come somewhere close to that. Secondly, he said, you know, we have to concentrate on how we behave off-set. Because if off-set, we're a team and we're a family, that'll show in the film. And that's exactly how we behaved. I mean, we were asked about Dubai and whose house we stayed in. Pretty much we slept in one room almost, because we were all together. Used to pack up, everybody used to be in Shah Rukh's room playing video games or
I
playing
didn't.
some
I
game.
went and slept in my own room, I swear.
That's what
I'm a married lady with
her
children.
mother-in-law is here, so we have to say that. But it really, man, it was like, I mean, it sounds so cliched, but the kind of camaraderie that this entire team, from the ADs to the lightmen to the actors to everybody shared, is unbelievable. And I really do believe, I've also done a lot of films, I believe that that camaraderie always shows and translates to celluloid. Although Manush will disagree because we shot digitally, not on celluloid. But that's what the film is about. This film is about, like the promo says, it's about a group of people. And that's been the most important thing. And entire credit to that has to go to these two sitting over here, which are Farah and Shah Rukh. You know, it takes a lot. And we haven't said this today, and I think it's our duty to say it, but it takes a lot for somebody of Shah Rukh's stature and ability, and not only about position, to agree to do a film like this, where actually he has spent 90% of his energy pushing all of us in front. Tum log aage jao. You saw this evening also on the ramp, he was pushing everybody ahead. It takes a lot. And it means the world to all of us. And that's what this film is about. This film is about all of us working together towards a common goal. It's not about action or just there's no romance or there is romance and there's comedy. It's about a group of people trying to achieve their dreams, like Shah Rukh said. And you know, Torde Tale, it's not that. It's about going out there and just entertaining. We've made the quintessential Bollywood masala film. And I tell Farabhi all the time that this is a film Manmohan Desai would have been proud of. This is what this film is.
Thank you everyone for being so kind. Everyone at the back also, everybody who's come from all over India. Thank you for being kind to our film. And inshallah, as we go along, we'll show you more bits. I'd personally like to thank all the actors, the actress, the director, our music directors, people who are in the audience today. Kanika has just walked in, who's done a song for us. Everybody who's present here, whose names I may not have remembered. Thank you for making this dream come true. All the ADs also, everyone. You know, there's so many departments, I forget the names. You know I have a problem with names. But I love you, and inshallah, this film will be something, like Abhishek said, it's a quintessential Bollywood film. When people say in picture में revenge hota hai, action hota hai, dance hota hai, drama hota hai, हाँ सब कुछ है और डंके की चोट पर है और अगर इसको उखाड़ सको तो उखाड़ लो, ऐसी की तैसी तुम्हारी है. This is a Bollywood film.
And if I may just add, I'm really sorry, but you know, the gentleman asked about, you know, will we be able to compete with Hollywood? Please let me tell you, sir, with immense pride I say, after they see this film, they'll be competing with us. This is the Indian film industry. We're the biggest and best film industry in the world, and let them start competing with us now.
And the last words will be only of the man who makes this film most special, that is Jaguda. Vidu ek dusre pe chadna mat bas. Thank you very much everyone. Have a good night. Thank you very much.